What's up, YouTube? This is Carl. So my first ever Predator engine, I put antifreeze in it. I know it's a very stupid thing to do, but it wasn't my fault because when we were changing antifreeze out of one of the cars, we put it in an old oil container. So I went ahead and dumped that in, and well, I ovalized the crankshaft and ovalized the connecting rod. So I bought a brand new connecting rod and a brand new crankshaft a long time ago, at least 2 years ago, and by that time I already had enough money to buy a new one, which I didn't put antifreeze in that one link, thankfully, but I need to do another oil change on it. But I had this one, my first one, and I bought a Honda crankshaft, thinking it was going to fit because it looked the same. Trust people don't do anything just by looks. Always try and find some kind of measurement, because I was wrong, and don't make the same mistake I did. It was very stupid. But so yeah, this is going to be a Frankenstein engine, as I'm going to call it. I have a Honda, what's it called? Flywheel. And then a Honda carburetor, which actually fits on the Predator, which I'm kind of happy about. And I also busted see, I had this crankshaft, which was the wrong crankshaft for the engine, and then I had the old Predator flywheel on the crankshaft. So when I went ahead and pulled it, it got stuck on the engine block and pretty much did a backflip. Pretty terrifying. And then just sandwiched this whole entire setup here. I'm going to try and salvage it just for testing purposes. I have another one down there from also the Honda. But it's got a brand new spark plug on it. It actually doesn't look too bad. The electrodes are actually pretty good looking. But one problem was when I took this engine apart, I found a shit ton of rust inside the cylinder head. I managed to get it all out. It's not like seized or anything, but there was some wear inside the cylinder head, as you can see. But I did get most of it out with just a really fine grit sandpaper. Don't ever do that. It could be very bad. But this is just for testing. I got it out of this old lawnmower, all the parts. But that I just got that open. Turns out that crankshaft's not going to fit because it has a different style camshaft. That's what I was looking for, a camshaft and a crankshaft combo. But I will take the parts out of this because it did run. The crankshaft's a little beat up, but it was only because I cut the pulleys off with a angle grinder because I couldn't get it off. But yeah, so I'm going to try and salvage parts from that one for customer mowers and stuff. I'm also going to try and make a drift trike out of this old bicycle and the mower deck, and then hook up a sprocket to the axle, and then make some kind of drift trike project. That's going to be my next project. But yeah, so this is going to be a little series I'm going to make again of not even a teardown, it's just a rebuild, seeing if anything will work. Yeah, so that's about it. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.